Hi everyone, thought I'd make you a short video to help you through our assignments. In our assignment set this week, all about major scales. The first one is major scales in treble clef. No time limit, 10 scales, 10 errors maximum, 5 hints maximum. It will automatically end when you fulfill it. You only have to do it once. And the instructions are to complete the following major scales in treble clef on the given key note. Down here, see here are our key notes, plus a couple of flats. So B flat, A flat, and E flat. I threw those in there for our wind players. All major scales. And you can use keyboard shortcuts. I'll show you how to do that. So let's preview the assignment. This is what you'll see. You'll get all the details that I just gave you. Okay, it's going to start us on a tough one, B major. So remember the whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step pattern, and even a scale as difficult as B major is actually pretty easy. So going up from B, I know that C is a half step, but I need a whole step, which means I need to pick a sharp. Now, you can pick these keys down here by either just clicking on them, or you can use the numbers on your keypad. So if I pick 3 or 2, it moves it. So I know I need a sharp. So I'm going to just drag my gray bar up to there and put my note in. A whole step up from C sharp is D sharp. Because remember, D would be right next to C sharp on the keyboard. Okay. Now I need a half step, right? I have my whole step, I have another whole step, now I need a half step. Don't forget to change the kind of note you need. Right. Now I need 3 whole steps in a row. Whole step from E is F sharp, because F is right next to E on the keyboard. So the next note up a half step would be F sharp. I'm sorry, a whole step would be F sharp. Getting ahead of myself. Another whole step up from F sharp is G sharp. And another whole step up from G sharp, A sharp. And the last thing I need is a half step. Remember to click on the correct kind of note that you need. And don't worry if that gray bar doesn't go across. It doesn't matter. Okay, so very easy. I'm going to do one with some mistakes and hints, and I'll show you how that works. So we're on D major now. I know E is the next note, but say I just didn't get it right or forgot to change my notes down here. If I try to put an F natural in there, it's not going to work, right? So sorry, try again. It also gives me an error up at the top and really drops your score. Okay, so be very careful. Make sure you pick the correct ones. There's an F sharp. Now the next one is G. I'll say I'm getting a little bit stuck, and it would be really helpful to have a hint. The hints that you get are either to play the scale, for some of you who have a really good ear, probably a good thing, right? Use that hint. I can play the notes on the staff. Maybe that'll sort of jog my memory into what note is next. Okay. I can also show the answer. If I show the answer, it'll actually write out the rest of the scale for me. Now, notice it says go ahead after that. You still have 9 more scales to complete. So if you choose show answer, it'll move you on to the next scale. Maybe the next scale doesn't have as many sharps or flats or maybe it's you can take your chances. It's going to be a little bit easier, right? But you're still going to have to complete 10. So it'll just skip over that. It won't give you credit for it. Okay. So I hope that helps. The other assignment in the set is the exact same exercise, but building scales using bass clef instead of treble clef. So if you have any questions, reach out to me in the meeting or on Schoology or email me. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later.